What's up and welcome to my channel. I recommend you to also take a look at my other channel, which is Edward Excel. I share a lot of interesting things. With that being said, a lot of traders think that smart money make them profitable. I recommend to pay close attention to all the things that are shared in my channel right here, whether they are the shorts or the videos or also the written things that I share and most people don't take a look at. I recommend you to take a look at these things because a lot of people, as I said already, think that smart money makes you profitable. But why? If everyone knows about smart money, why is not everyone profitable yet? Why are 95% of the traders still losing money? This doesn't make sense because it seems like smart money is the holy grail, but at the same time, 95% of the people are still losing money. Of course, it can be a mindset problem. Of course, it can be, not good risk management and a lot of other things. But at the same time, it looks like smart money doesn't really work. Is that really it? I'm not sure. Actually, I am. I know that, I know for sure that you need to have a statistical edge when you are trading. Smart money doesn't make you profitable. My strategy has some concepts of smart money. It actually has many concepts that are put together and many others that I don't really take a look at. The reason why is because you need to find a statistical edge on the market, whether it is with smart money or with other things, and you need to make sure that your strategy is back tested and works statistically. We are here, and I am here in this channel to show you concepts that are making me profitable. So, with that being said, let's get started.
Hi guys, this is Abby from Forex XL. Today's video we will talk about how to trade reversals or how to check the change of character in a reversal strategy. So let's get started. So before we start, I just like to give you our new site. You can check the courses for Forex XL courses, and you can also join the waitlist for the EXO signals and as well as the accelerated program. So you can check it out in forexxl.org and try to subscribe now. So let's get started. So in a reversal strategy or simple strategy for reversal trade, we would like to know the trend first. So if it's in a downtrend like this one, you want to see a change of character. So for example, this is in a 1 hour chart. Okay, 1 hour time frame. So you want to see somehow a change of character wherein it's in 15-minute or 30-minute time frame. But we would like to see a break of structure like this one. So if you see a break of structure or break of previous high like this one, you want to see a retest on this, on the demand area where the price gets to have a momentum to the upside. So I want to emphasize this one because sometimes it got misunderstood that if they see a change of character in this area, they will enter right away. But yeah, you can enter right away, but I think for us in Forex Excel, we want to always have a confirmation. So if you see a change of character in a higher time frame, you want to see a a bullish or a momentum. Since this is a downtrend, you want to see a bullish change of character in a lower time frame. So if it's in, you want to see it in 3 minutes down to 1 minute time frame. So since this is in a bullish, so there's a change of character, you want to have a test in this zone like this one, you want to see a downtrend, and then sometimes it like break this order block here and then goes upside for the change of character. So we want to see somehow a manipulation on a higher or on a lower time frame. So we want to see first the trend where in example is in the downtrend. So we want to see a change of character where it breaks the previous high, since this is in a downtrend. So we want to see a test and a manipulation in lower time frame, whether it's in a 3 minute or down to 1 minute time frame. So we always ask for confirmation because that's one area that you want to check first. So let's try, or so this is an example of a downtrend. Let's say if it's in an uptrend like this one, right? So sometimes overall it's a uptrend, but sometimes market shifts like this one. So there's a change of character. We're in this area. So we want to see a confirmation that this is really in a bearish trend. So we want to see somehow a confirmation on this area, like price going like up like that. Sometimes it manipulates like this one and then goes back down. It's a rare, but sometimes it happens when there's a news, or sometimes the order block respected, but it is always good that you have a confirmation as well, and try to manage the size because you're trending or you are trading in a reversal. So I want to put this as well, since you're trading in a reversal and you're not following the flow, order flow, it is always good to minimize your risk. So if you're trading, if the order flow is is a bearish and you want to sell it, you want to have a sell trade, and the usual risk is 1%. This time, if you're going to trade in a reversal trade, I can suggest that you just lower your risk like 0.5%, so that it's in a minimal it is in a minimal loss. So yeah, it's just to add minimize your risk. So these are the key points that you can check when you want to trade on a reversal mode. So let's try to look on the chart. So this one is, as you can see here, this is on an uptrend, right? Low, high, lower low, lower high, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. And then on this area, as you can see here, there's this bearish candle right here that engulfs on this two bullish candles, right? This one. So I'm in the 4 hour time frame, and you can see here, if you wanna try to look this one, there's a change or shift of market right here for me. So there's a market shift, and then at the same time, it followed by a break of structure. This low right here broke of this move. So so I wanna get this supply zone here and try to check if the price will respect that. So it always happens like the market always create a liquidity before grabbing some or mitigating some supply or demand areas like this one. So as you can see here, creates this range, right? And then price goes up, mitigates the supply zone, and then pushes to the downside, like this one. Yeah. So change of character, retest this one, break of structure, have this range, break of structure again, and then this area right here, this price mitigates the supply zone, and then goes back down where it breaks this level, as you can see here, right? And then goes back again to mitigate all the imbalances and all the internal liquidity right here. So as you can see, it is now going to the downside, and as you can see this it really has the engulfing, bearish engulfing, where this whole move here washed or like wash away on this like simple move right here in just one day. So for me, it's in a reversal mode now. So yeah, that's it, guys, for a simple strategy that you can take a look when trading in reversal. So just want to highlight this, know the trend, and then know or check the charts if the market or price is changing its character, like breaks the previous high, or this one is breaking the previous low, right? And then always check if there's a manipulation in lower time frame in 3 minutes down to 1 minute, and then always mind your risk, always minimize your risk when trading in reversal to to lessen the losses. So that's it for me, guys. Take care. Bye bye.